Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is another college vlog and it's a compilation of various days in my life that aren't consecutive, but hopefully it still makes sense when you watch it. A lot of my time is spent going to classes, and this includes both time spent in class and time spent commuting to and from class. For one of my classes, I have 2 lectures and a lab each week, and all of those are a whole bus ride away, but overall it hasn't been too bad. One thing I miss about online college is having much more time for assignments, but I've been able to manage my time pretty well nonetheless. I also definitely prefer in-person classes to online classes because I'm able to absorb so much more information and it just feels a lot more effective. Overall, I'm just very glad that we're back to in-person learning. This first week, I got to my classes super early because I was very scared of being late, but this meant that I sat outside a lot. Honestly though, the weather was very nice, so I didn't mind. And the university was giving out free snacks, so this made my day a whole lot better. had one more class that day, and then I went home for the long weekend, which was really nice because I was exhausted from having such a hectic first week of school. I caught up on so much sleep that weekend, and when I got back, I felt ready to take on the rest of the month. I also like doing my laundry at home, so I was putting my freshly washed sheets on my mattress during this clip. To recap my semester so far, things are actually going better than I expected. I haven't had any exams yet, but I've had some really hard projects and labs, especially in my programming class, and I survived everything so far, so I'm feeling hopeful about the rest of the semester. I also declared my minor in applied statistics, so I'll be taking more stats courses during my time at college, which will be great because stats is my favorite subject this semester. Also, if you watched my I'm transferring video, you know that I've been planning on changing my major from computer science to UI UX design, and that's still in the works, but nothing is confirmed yet, so we'll just have to see. If I don't get into the UI UX program at the university, it's not too big of a deal. I'm getting a lot better at just going with the flow, which is something I used to suck at, so I've just been feeling a lot better about college in general because of that.